another viewer for this one. This is Cecil in the camping park in the forest, and he comes across this spider. Now, this will prove to you that Cecil tries to make himself seem very intelligent when he doesn't know what he's talking about. So let's take a listen.
Can you guys see what I see? Look at the spider
It's a spider's
web. It's a beautiful web. Look at that.
It's a lovely web.
That is wild. That's a widow.
Our survey says, try again, Cecil.
Or a wolf spider.
Our survey says, what my viewer pointed out is this is a European garden spider. This is Cecil trying to be intelligent. That spider is no more venomous than a wet J-cloth. Fucking idiot.
I was gonna go in there and get that wood, but I don't know.
You can go in there and get the wood. No problem at all, because it's a European garden spider.
Oh.
You see, this is what happens when you come onto YouTube and pretend you know shit and try to make yourself sound intelligent, hoping that nobody would be the wiser. I passed this short by, wasn't really interested in it. There wasn't anything on, anything comedy that I could milk it for. But I did come across a comment, and I was encouraged to commentate on that one. Very, very interesting. That makes me not very confident in his paranormal expertise, to be quite honest with you. But I'm going to leave that one for now. Talk to you again really soon.